Hi everyone, this is Neha. Welcome to this Terraform learning session. In this video, we will explore Terraform. So basically, what is Terraform? Terraform is an infrastructure as a code tool that help automate cloud resource management, and also it is useful in a case of multi-cloud and hybrid cloud. So what are the benefits of using Terraform? First is declarative configuration. It means you can define your own desired infrastructure state and Terraform will make it happen. And second is multi-cloud support. So it will support cloud like AWS, Azure and GCP. And third is state management. So it will keep track of infrastructure changes to ensure consistency. So why to use Terraform? Because it will automate cloud infrastructure deployment and also manage infrastructure as a code and enable scalability and give version control. So how to install Terraform? For Windows, you can download it from the official site terraform.io. For Mac and Linux, you can use this command brew install Terraform, and after the installation, you can verify it by using Terraform version command. So these are the basic commands which are useful in a Terraform. So first command is Terraform init. So it will initialize the working directory. And second command is Terraform format. So it will format the Terraform code as Terraform validate. So Terraform validate will check the syntax error in your code. Next is Terraform plan. So it will show what changes will be made. So Terraform apply will deploy the infrastructure. Next is Terraform state list. It will list all managed resources. Next is Terraform destroy. This command will delete all the Terraform managed resources. And next is Terraform output. So this command will list all output as stated in a code. So these are the configuration file which are present in Terraform. First is main.tf. So this file will use to define the primary infrastructure resource, and next is variable.tf. So this file basically used to define input variable for customization. Next is output.tf. So this file define values to display after the deployment, and file is provider.tf. In this file define cloud providers like AWS, GCP and Azure. So next file is backend.tf. This file will configure say storage in a remote backend like S3, GCS and Terraform cloud. Next file is terraform.tf variables. So this file will store values for variable, and also it is useful for a different environment. Next file is terraform.log.scl. So this file is automatically generated when you run terraform init command. And after that last file is terraform.tf state.backup. This file contains the previous state of code before the last Terraform apply. Move to next slide. So this is the configuration in each file. First is main.tf, which is used to define input variable for customization. You can see provider is Google, project, this is the project name, region, credential, and here we are creating the VM instance. Next is variable.tf. So this file is used to define input variables for customization. There are two variables are here. First is project ID and second is region. So this is how you can define the variable. Next is provider.tf. So this file define cloud provider like AWS, GCP, Azure. Provider is Google, and source is HashiCorp, and version is also there. Next is output.tf, which is used to define values to display after deployment. Here is like this, you can write the configuration like output, instance, IP and description. So next file is backend.tf. So this file is used to configure state storage in a remote backend like S3, GCS and Terraform cloud. You can see Terraform backend GCS. We are using the Google Cloud storage here, and this is the bucket. In Google Cloud we store the data in buckets. So this is the bucket name and prefix is there. Next is terraform.tf variable, which is used to store value for defined variable. You can see the project ID and region is here. Next file is terraform.log.scl. So this file is automatically generated when you run terraform init. It logs the exact version of providers used in a project to ensure consistent deployment across different environment. And also it is help to prevent issues caused by provider version mismatches. It also prevents accidental upgrade that might break the infrastructure. Ensures that all team members use the same provider version, and this file should be committed to the version control like Git. And next files are terraform.tfstate and terraform.tfstate backup. So this file basically used to track real world infrastructure deployed using Terraform. So terraform.tf file contain the current state of all resources, and terraform.tfstate backup file contain the code before the last Terraform apply. And this file helps Terraform track changes and know what need to be updated and destroy. And so it is used for incremental update and avoiding unnecessary regression of resources. When you are working with Terraform, so always enable state locking to prevent concurrent modification, and also never manually edit terraform.tf state file because it may corrupt the infrastructure. So this is the last page of our slide. So what are the provider in Terraform? So basically the Terraform provider is a plugin that allows Terraform to interact with external APIs, cloud provider and third-party tools. And next is provider are specified in a Terraform configuration code we already seen. To make provider available on Terraform, we need to make Terraform init, and this command download any plugin we need for one provider. So next is what are the resources in Terraform? So resource is a block which is used to describe one or more infrastructure objects such as virtual network compute instances, and you can see the code here. This is the resource block contain AWS instance, it contain AMI and instance type. So this is all about Terraform. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.